Hi everyone, we're going to find the equation of the tangent line of this graph of this function at this given point using the chain rule. So in this case this should be squared, sorry about that. We take the derivative, so we're going to first do the outer function part, so that's going to be 2 times 2x cubed plus 1, and then you do 2 minus 1, you get 1. Then you take the derivative of your inner function, which is going to be 6x. And clean all this up, and you're going to get 12x times 2x cubed plus 1. And we don't really need to simplify too much because all we're trying to do is evaluate -1, our x, to find our slope. So that's going to be 12 times -1 times 2 times -1 to the third power plus 1. And when you fix all this up, you're going to get 12 to the -1, which equals -12. Alright, so our slope is -12, and then you just do like you did in Algebra 1, and I use the slope-intercept form. So I just plug in my -12 and plug in your x and y here. So y is 1. X is -1, so this will be +12. And clearly b has to be -11. So my equation, I plug this back in, and I get y equals -12x minus 11. I'm going to do a very similar problem, but we have a fraction here, so we're going to take the derivative of the outer function, and 2/3 minus 3/3 is -1/3, and then you multiply it by the derivative of your inner function, which would be -2x. Now, cleaning all this up, you're going to get, multiply these two, so it's going to be -4x. This 3 is in the denominator, and then I had to move him in the denominator, so this is going to be 9 minus x squared to the 1/3 power. Now we're going to plug in 1, so that's going to make it nice. It'll be -4 over 3 times the cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 is 2. So you get -4 to the 1/3. So cube root of 8 is 2, so that's going to be 6, which equals -2/3. Cube root of 8 equals 2. That's all I did. Alright, now we're going to write our slope-intercept form. Plug in your slope. This is your slope. Now plug in your x and y. So let's do that. Y is 4. X is 1. So that's just going to be -2/3 plus b. So I'm going to change my denominator. So this will be 12/3 plus 2/3 equals b, which is 14/3. So our equation is going to be, plug it back into the original, plug it back into this one. You're going to get y equals -2/3 x plus 14/3. That's 14/3. And that's all. The next set we're going to do involves sine, taking the derivative of sine. And what's the other one we're going to do? We'll do another trig function, and it's going to be cosine. So sine and cosine. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.